Now we could do something very similar. It's a body fat percentage calculator, but it's slightly different. So at first we need to ask about gender. So if the person is male or female, so it will be on the input, it will be string, enter your gender, male or female, like this. So here I will use the option upper. So it means that if the person put it here M, the result will be big M. If he will put F like female, it will be big F like female. Okay, so it's upper, no lower, but upper. Okay, after that I will put it here age. It will be integer, so int, and input something like enter your age. Okay, after that we need weight, so I will put it here float, and I would like to do in kilograms, so it's float. Okay, input, it will be enter your weight in kilos. Perfect. After that we have height. I would like to do a small challenge here. So we will need height in meters, but I would like to ask the user about his height in centimeters. So after that we need to convert it from the centimeters to meters, and it will be interesting. Height in centimeters. Okay, and now waist. So how many centimeters do you have around your waist? So input, enter your waist circumference. I hope I pronounce it correctly. Okay, great. I think that's enough. We have everything what we need. So after that we need to calculate BMI. We did it in the previous video, but in BMI you need height in meters. So I would like to write something like height in meters, and it will be height divided by 100, right? No, sorry, because we have it in centimeters, we divide it by 100, so it means it will be in meters. Okay, so now we calculate the BMI, its weight, divided by height, like this. I think that here we don't have the brackets are not necessary here, I guess, because this is the first operation which will be done, so we don't need this, I think. Okay, print, and we will see. Oh, just a second. Clear it, run it. Okay, so I'm a male, age, it's not useful for now, and so I will put it, for example, 9 kilos, 95 centimeters, 186, for example. Waist, I have no idea, guys. 50, it's not something bigger, right? 80. Okay, and this is our BMI index. So I think we have a slightly problem here. So maybe there really has to be this. Oh, I see the problem. Here we need to use the M, height in meters. Okay. Perfect. So it's M, H, okay, kilos. How many kilos? 95, for example. 186. I don't know how many. 90. Okay, it looks great. It looks good. Super. So it's okay. And now we need to calculate, we call it BFP. It's body fat percentage, and it's different according to gender. So if gender is equal to M, so it means it's male, so BFP would be like this: 1.20 multiplied by BMI plus 0.23 multiplied by H minus 16.2. You need to know how to calculate it, right? It's impossible to to remember it. So BFP, here it means if it is female, okay? So its gender is male. We will calculate it like this. If it's not, so it means it's female, we will calculate it in a slightly different way. Okay, so it's the same calculation, but here we have 5.4. Okay, and that's it. So here we can write the BFP. I would like to round it. So if BFP and 2 decimal number. Okay, so I will print it and we will see what we have here. Just a second, I will clear it, run it. Male 39, 95, 186 centimeters, I don't know, 35.72. Okay, it goes well. So after that, if we have the BFP, so we can categorize. So category. So now if gender is equal to male, so, or here will be else, so if it is female, okay, so if it is male, so we will write if BFP is smaller than 6, so category will be essential fat. Okay, and if BFP is smaller than 14, the category will be athletes. Yeah, write this. Okay, and if BFP is smaller than 18, so the category will be fitness. And if BFP is smaller than 25, so the category will be average. Else the category will be obese. Okay, and it's for male. Okay, for female it's slightly different, so I could maybe copy it. Okay, be careful about the indentation. Okay, it's very important. We spoke about it. If BP is like this, if BFP is less than 14, category is essential fat. If BFP is less than 21, so it athletes. Is less than 25, okay, it's fitness. Okay, one if BFP is less than 32, so the category is average, and else is category is obese. Okay, and now we have everything what we need. We just need to print the result. Okay, so print. So your body fat percentage is BFP, it's in percentage, so percentage, and here I would put category. Okay, it sounds good. I think that everything is okay, so I will do it like this. So at first we have some inputs from the user. After that we will calculate body mass index. After that we will calculate body fat percentage. We will round it for 2 decimal numbers, and after that, if it is male, we will find out which category he is. If it is female, we find out which category is the female, and after that we have the BFP, we have the category, and we can print it out. Okay, I will try. For example, male, age, weight, height in centimeters, okay, and something, I don't know, guys. It seems I'm obese. Okay, great, perfect, I'm happy now. So your body fat percentage is something, it's obese. Okay, but it seems it works fine. Okay, the result isn't positive, but it works fine. So I hope you understand what we did here. You can see that it's already complex. So we have some inputs, some evaluation, and some calculation, and after that we print out the result. Okay, great. So this is body fat percentage calculator.